Here's a really great repair job on a step going into an airplane. So it's a fantastic welding, and it's got an extra gusset here on the back side. It's probably going to be rated for well over, I don't know, 1,000 pounds, even though the foot pressure would be 200 to 300 pounds. It's going to withstand any treatment you can give it, and it's going to last indefinitely. Thanks for the welder who did such a great job. Anyway, I'm going to spruce it up here and put some white paint on it, and back to the airplane. And that's about it. You can get things fixed, relatively inexpensive. And getting a new part is quite costly and not efficient, as well as good for the environment to recycle things. So be proactive and try to get things done locally. If you have to ship it out, get it done. Repair things that you have. It's more cost effective, and it's always fun too. So there you go. Do it yourself. Have others help you. Get it done inexpensively and better than original.